yesterday, and this is here shovel. I think I have like 5-6 more. You know, the metal is gone. Yeah. The gloves a little bit. I have. I sold all the big one, only the small one left here. Flashlight, also fuses people coming for, and some gloves, heaters, and some shovels, snow shoveling. And that's most of the people asking for, like some suit for rain, and they ask me for like boots, things like that, you know. The latex is gone here, like this is empty, this is empty. I have like a lot of them.
Hi, everybody. I'm back in my MEMA vest. We expect, on account of the wind and the amount of snow, for the drifts to be as high as 5 feet. There will be obstacles that will be unknowable and unseen underneath the snow. Secondary roads, let alone major roads, are going to take some while to clear.
The National Weather Service says that this morning the snow started, it started to snow, turned to rain, back to snow this afternoon, likely to fall in a fast and heavy rate, their words, during much of the evening and overnight period, with the heaviest snow expected to begin between 3 and 7 p.m. tonight. And by the time the storm passes early Saturday afternoon, we're expecting to have accumulations of 10 to 14 inches across the 5 boroughs based on the latest National Weather Service.
This is what I'm worried about, flooding. This is where my concern is, flooding.
Bye.
I mean, I'm going to do my best. I'm closing down at a certain time, which upsets me dearly because I know there are a lot of residents who rely on, I'm sure, you know, through a storm they're not going to come in. But no, a lot of residents don't have the means to cook anything. I'm sure for tonight they will make arrangements, but it's heartbreaking to me because, you know, I hear their cries every day. I give them their hugs.
I'll just give you my phone number if you want. You call me. I'm right on Garibaldi. I mean, I really don't know what the people down here are going to do. If we lose this, I don't know what we're going to do. This is like the only thing we have here.